In the world of dimensional metrology, CheckMate's reporting application provides easy-to-use tools to create reports for capability studies, PPAP or 9102 FAI reports, roadmap ballooning, and more. Whether you collect measurement data using CMMs, lasers, articulating arms, or other DME. Let's go take a look. To generate reports, first we need to import measurement data into CheckMate. CheckMate can import XYZ measurement data from laser trackers, articulating arms, and other DME. Then CheckMate projects it to the CAD surfaces, developing nominal data while automatically applying tolerance information. Today, we're going to load in 30 sets of measurement results that came from a CMM. Now that we have measurements loaded, let's go make some reports. Let's start with a capability report. We go to the CheckMate report generator. From the list of many types of reports, we will select the multi-piece capability report. Then, from the multi-piece tab, we select which statistical elements that we want in the report. Hit the Create button and CheckMate creates the color-coded capability report. Let's make a PPAP report. Still in CheckMate's report generator, select the AIAG PPAP report type. After hitting the Create button, we can choose any 6-part data sets to include in the PPAP report. Notice that the data can be listed by balloon label or by feature name. 9102 FAI reports. Still in CheckMate's report generator, select the AS9102 Rev A report type. Hit the Create button and then choose a part results data set to be included in the FAI report. You need reports with roadmaps? No problem. You can create layouts with roadmap labels. A layout is like creating a picture. Creating roadmap labels are easy. Roadmap labels can be based on feature names, balloon numbers, or balloon numbers with tolerance information. Let's go back to the report generator and create a report with these layout pictures. Select the Production 6-sample report type. On the Graphics tab, we can generate images from the 4 layouts and then specify where in the report the images are to be located. This report has 4 sheets in it, 1 sheet for each layout picture, and below that, only the results data for the roadmap labels in that layout picture. CheckMate can generate post-inspection labels that show actual results data in them. Here we have some post-inspection labels already created. Let's go make a few, starting with converting our roadmap labels to post-inspection statistical labels, and then we will fill them with actual data. CheckMate can create X-bar charts, R charts, histograms, or target plots as we can see here. Let's go back to the report generator and create a report with these layout pictures. This time we select the Layout on Sheets report type, which is a blank form to place the layout pictures in. Or you could even use a template with a title block and your own company logos. We go to the Graphics tab, and just like we did previously, we select what images to use and where to place them in this template. Now we have a report with a layout image placed on each sheet. And last but not least, let's go take a look at CheckMate's Reporting Browser. To show the power of the Reporting Browser, I loaded in another 30 CMM results files. As soon as we open the Reporting Browser, it is automatically populated with all of the data. You can see all 60 samples and the average at the top above them. Let's just view the average values. There are many more columns that can be easily turned on or off to customize this view as we look at the color tolerance data for each feature measurement. Not only can we view this as a 60-piece data set, but we can break these down into side-by-side groups for data comparison. In this case, the white columns are 30 samples made by Tool 1, and the cyan columns are 30 samples made by Tool 2. When viewing this data, the columns can be interleaved as shown here, or each subgroup of data can be grouped together like this. Regardless whether you want to make some or all of these reports, CheckMate provides simple tools to create them all from a single database without the errors introduced by manual entry.